Hello. Good evening. It's another night of Tipsy taste testing. Yeah, it took me a minute to fucking think that. It's a lot of savory shit tonight. We've got Pringles all dressed. Pringles hot ones. Pringles pizza. It's probably not very exciting. I also got, we've got Caribbean rum cake. That was sent to me by Christian. And the dill pickle flavored Planters cashews. I'm excited about those. I have a coconut cream pie just for shits and giggles. And my great niece had a popcorn fundraiser, so I have poppin' popcorn. I don't even know what fucking flavor it is. Hang on. Oops. Sriracha. And this one doesn't say shit. Oh, 3 cheese. So let's get into it. What am I going to try first? Let's start with the Pringles pizza. Because I'm not that excited about those. They don't really have a smell. They smell like Pringles. Shocker. Oh, okay, shit. I taste like the oregano. They have a mild pizza flavor. Alright. They did not disappoint. They're good. I mean, I'm not gonna get naked over them, but they're still good. Okay. Let's keep in the Pringles theme. Let's do the hot ones. So it's supposed to be barbacoa Los Calientes. I probably sound like a super white girl saying that shit. But whatever. Aren't I here to make an ass of myself? I think so. Oh, they smell like... They have a twang to them. They don't smell like just Pringles. Oh. Okay. I'm here for it. It's smoky. Oh, it's biting my tongue. These are good. Okay. Oh, these are fucking hot. I don't have a drink. I'm fucked. Oh, hang on a minute. Whew. Hello. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna get some poppy. Oh, they're good. Wow, I'm burning. That motherfucker's a Disco Inferno. But I'm gonna have another one. I so recommend those. If you like hot, they have good flavor. Even though they're burning my mouth right now, my lips. They taste so freaking good that I want to keep eating them. But it hurts. That might be the white girl in me. Okay, so we're on to all dressed Pringles. Okay. I don't want to say what they smell like because they smell seasoned. Let's see what they taste like. Okay. They just kind of remind me of like a fancy barbecued chip. Why the fuck you gotta fight while I'm taste testing? Word of advice, don't live with a million dogs. These are good. To me, they just taste like fancy barbecue chips. I don't know what the fucking all dress means. It's supposed to be tomato, onion, and vinegar. But I don't know. They're good. Don't get me wrong. But I know I've had all dressed chips before. And they had a little more flavor sensation to them than that. I mean, I'm not going to complain because my ass obviously loves to eat. So I'm going to move on to the dill pickled cashews from Planters. Thank you, Christian. I think I need a fucking scissor for these. Hang on. Got my scissors. Don't mind the stolen Target basket behind me. That hoards all my stuff. Alright, I did not cut down deep enough. I feel like the dogs are judging me right now. Because I worked a 10-hour day and then went and had a couple of drinks. Even though I took care of all of them, you know, it's never enough time. Which I totally understand. Sweet baby Jesus. I love me some pickle. I do need a pickle tattoo. These are fucking shit. I feel like I like these more than the pickled peanuts. These cashews are a little bit creamier. Oh my god. 10 out of fucking 10. I could eat this whole bag right now, but it will probably make me nauseous, so I won't. But, god damn, those are good. Hello. Alright. So, we're going to move on to the Caribbean rum cake. If I can get this bitch open. She's fighting me. Ooh, shit. I'm going to spill my drink. Tortuga. This is usually not my jam, but I'm going to taste it anyway. If I can get it open. Alright. I'm not a huge fan of liquor-infused sweets. Oh my god. Oh, it's squishy. Yeah, I know. I'm a jerk. But, oh, oof. That smells motherfucking strong. Holy shit tonight. It's like vanilla and pure alcohol. Okay. Apparently, I'm just going to rip off a big piece. Oh. Okay. I'm not going to say I'm a fan. Oh my god, it's so strong. Like, I love how moist the cake is. It doesn't even... I can't explain it. Like, you smell the rum, you taste the rum, but I don't know if it does anything for you. It's a really moist cake, which is great. I'm not gonna not eat it. But not gonna lie, it's weird to have such a strong alcohol taste in a cake. Like, I'd rather just be in a shot. But that's just me. Some people love alcohol-infused baked goods. Oh, I just dropped that shit. Again, I will eat it, but it's just not my jam. I'm gonna move on to this. I found this at ShopRite. It was like 89 cents. Coconut cream flavored pie. My friends got other flavors and they love those. So I love fucking coconut. Oh, it's not even sealed. Okay. It smells good. It smells fried. Oh. See? This is beautiful. Oh my god. Not what I was expecting. Because I'm used to coconut custard. But holy shit, this is beautiful. I like this. Look at that. Oh, sorry. Made a mess. But that's fucking good. Okay. Who's that made by? JJ's Bakery. I don't know if they're only sold at ShopRite, but okay. On to the next part of my journey, which is popcorn from my great niece's fundraiser. You know. Why not? I spent a lot of money on these. Holy shit. I could smell the fucking sriracha. Woo! Yep. This was the sriracha one. It smells like it. Tastes like it. That's fucking good. I spent a lot of money on this shit. But it was worth... Ooh, that's got a kick. Woo! Okay. Alright. So, it was definitely worth it. If you ever have a family member as a Poppin' Popcorn fundraiser, holy shit. Alright. I'm tapping out on the... I know, Gracie. It's time to go to bed. My dogs are telling me it's time to go to bed. But here I am. Still at it. We're going to do one more. That's it. From the popcorn fundraiser. This is 3 cheese. Because I got to kill this heat from the sriracha. Ooh. That shit's on fire. So this is 3 cheese. From Poppin' Popcorn. Okay. That's good. But I should have cleansed the palate from the sriracha. My ass is still on fire. Oh my god. My throat is burning. It's good. Oh my god, this video is too long. Sorry, people. Anyhow, I'm drunk. And it's time to say goodnight. Gonna give my dog some treats. got some treats. I gotta cleanse my palate from that fucking sriracha. Peace out. I love you all. Thank you.